Hey guys, okay, I'm finally getting around to drafting the shorts pattern that I posted about a year ago. I'd order a bunch of different rulers off Amazon until I could find a kit that I could recommend for you guys that actually would work, and I'm going to use them for this. And if you don't want to go this route, you can always go the Fairgate route, which are these metal rulers right here. You can find them in kits online, so these are fine too, but this kind of gave you just about every curve option that you needed. That's the reason I liked it. But it came in this case right here, and each one of these rulers were packed in this kind of a container. So it's got a white cardboard backing in it, and it's sealed up nicely. So anyway, I had to undo all of them to get them out here where we could see them. I'm going to have to use half measurements in drafting this, but when I cut the fabric out and we sew it, it'll be the full size. So I'll do a sew along after I draft the pattern. I've already drafted the full size pattern, and I'm just going to duplicate that in half size so I can get it on this table and you can see what's going on. But you really want to draft your patterns with the front and back all together. Cut them out, then add your seam allowances. So that's the best way to do it. Okay, the things you're going to need: get you about a 1-inch strip of paper that's about 42 to 50 inches long. That will be used when we draft our patterns. And then you can get a smaller one, about, this is 36 inches, so about 30 inches long. And we will use that one too. Okay, let me show you the tools here. Here's a kind of a hip curve. This is also kind of a hip curve also. You got a regular ruler, another curve, another curve. This is made by a Japanese company, and so actually it looks like it's Chinese on there. Anyway, they do English below. Here's another curve tool. So we can get a little bit deeper curve on this one. This is almost a circle. So that's what I like about this. It gives you all these different curves, and if you just have one tool, oftentimes you'll get in a situation where you have to kind of move it around and you don't get that smooth of a curve. But this one can be used also. And then this is a triangle. So that's what comes with it. It's like $29.99. I'm going to put an Amazon affiliate link down below the video in case you guys want to order it. Here are the tracing tools. You've got a regular one and then a fine pin one. It came with a flexible ruler. I don't know if this is long enough to do a crutch curve, but it'd be easy enough to extend it a bit if you wanted to use it for that. But anyway, it's 20 inches to there, and about an inch, probably 22 inches in all in length. It came with this tape measure. Got inches on one side and centimeters on the other side. And I think all those rulers are going to be in centimeters. Let me look at them. I just unboxed them. Yeah, this is in centimeters. So I'll convert the inches to centimeters when I draft it. That way I can be accurate in what I'm drawing. And so we'll just do that. Don't worry about that. You can measure in inches and duplicate what I'm doing. But anyway, we'll use the centimeters, and we're going to use half scale also. Alright, so that's everything you need, and you're going to need some paper. I'll post the link. I'm sure you can get this on Amazon. I'll find it and it's pattern drafting. It comes in a big roll, but if you're pattern drafting, you'll go through that roll quicker than what you think. So anyway, it's about 60 inches wide, and I think it's 200 yards or something like that is the one that I got. And I've had mine for about 3 years. So, and it's still chugging right along. I'm nowhere near out. So anyway, it's good. You can cut out whatever you need, whatever size you need, and you'll be good to go. Okay, that's it. That's what I'm going to recommend you get for using. That's what I'm going to use when I draw the pattern out. And I'll get started on that after I post this video and give you the link and everything. And then I'll probably post the video sometime over the next couple of days. So look for it. Okay, that's it, guys. Take care.